So today I'm with Aldo from Encore Reclamation, and I've just picked up some really lovely boards which are going to be restored and put into a property in January. But I just wondered if you can tell me a little bit about Encore Reclamation and what you're buying, what you're selling, and any advice you've got for people.
We've been in business about 12 years. Buying and selling is pretty much old timber. We don't buy much parquet anymore because we found that the cost of installing parquet is putting a lot of people off. It's really expensive to have installed. Although we sell it at a really reasonable price, it makes no difference when you look at the installation costs. We try and keep our business lean, so we try and be cheaper than anybody else. I don't think many people can compete with us on price, and it's the same material if you're buying wherever you go. But we haven't got the fancy showroom. The website does the heavy lifting, so the website is the showroom, which means we can pass all those savings on. So I think we're the cheapest in the business, and we're well established. Everyone knows us. Vince has been coming here for forever, and people keep coming back. So we can look after you. We buy mainly from demolition guys, and more so going forward as the bigger buildings are not coming down so much, more from smaller builders that have got jobs and they need to take the flooring up for sandproofing, and the customers wants an engineered floor down, or they want an engineered floor because they're having underfloor heating, which is not great for reclaimed. So we're buying smaller and smaller, more granular amounts, which is more work for us, but it does mean we still can supply you guys. But that's the way the business is changing. We're just buying smaller amounts because the big jobs are finishing. They will one day. It'll all stop. But we're still getting it in. We're still finding it, and we're still getting it out to our customers.
So one thing I liked about you when I first contacted you, because I'm very fussy, is that you had the time to speak to me about what I wanted. So this is the big difference. A lot of the places you'll phone up and they just want to they don't have the time for you. They just want to just sell you the stuff, but you really listened to what I wanted, because I wanted a board that wasn't sanded and a certain width and a colour, and like I say, very, very fussy. But you just had the time on the phone, and I thought, oh, that's fantastic. And then I came, and then you still had time when I came down here to sort through the boards and get exactly what I wanted. So that is so important, because so many. The thing I find, I get a lot of people asking me where to get reclaimed products from, and the thing is that people they can go to a reclaimed outfit, but they might get absolutely soaking timber. They might get timber that's going to warp and twist, and and you keep all this stuff really, really dry. It's all in very, very good condition, incredibly organised. I'm very impressed, actually. Every time I come here, it's all so neat and tidy.
Well, I mean,
it'd be different if it was me, I can tell you.
No, it wouldn't, because I often talk about you when other customers come down, because your enthusiasm for the timber is contagious. Like when you come down, I get excited because I find you at the back of the barn stroking a piece of timber or something with a big smile, because it's Georgian.
My wife has a problem with that.
Yeah, no, exactly. but it's exactly the same. The excitement I see with you when you come down with timber makes it fun for me, because we do get customers come down. They're builders. They just want to fill a hole in the floor, and they're not. There's no love for the timber they're buying. They just want to get the floor down. You come down and you're completely. You'd smile on your face.
I lose myself.
You lose yourself. So that makes because I'm the same. I've got an enthusiasm for the old timber. I know it's something we're never going to see again. I think about the story, and I know you're the same. So me and you, do. You've come here today. I'm ridiculously busy today. It's the last day before we shut down for Christmas, and I'm behind now because you've come down and we got excited and spoke about a million things, and we're still here. It's dark. Hopefully we'll get done before Christmas. Yeah. We've got a week or so. Hopefully we'll get this. You'll be gone before Christmas dinner. Yeah. But I do find it hard to get you out of it when you're here.
I know, and we are going now. But anyway, I thought I would. It's good to have a chance to talk to you, and genuinely, if you want reclaimed flooring, this is the place to go, because this guy knows his stuff and he's incredibly helpful. So,
we do try and look after people. I do those orders where people come here and they say they've been sent away from another yard because they wanted 3 square metres and they was too busy. I treat everyone the same. Yeah. I enjoy what I do, and I try and keep it fun. It should be.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so that's all. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you will join us on the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye. See you later.